Tired of hitting plateaus and not seeing the muscle gains you deserve? Let's break down progressive overload and training to failure, the keys to unlocking your full potential in the gym. Progressive overload is the gradual increase of stress placed upon the body during exercise. This forces your muscles to adapt and grow stronger. There are three main ways to achieve this: increasing weight, increasing reps, and increasing sets. Let's say you're bench pressing 150 pounds for 3 sets of 8 reps. To progressively overload with weight, you'd aim to increase that to 155 or 160 pounds while maintaining good form. To overload with reps, you'd keep the weight at 150 pounds, but try to increase your reps from 8 to 9 or 10%. And finally, to overload with sets, you stick with 150 pounds for 8 reps, but increase the total number of sets from 3 to 4 or 5. Now, let's talk about training to failure. This means pushing yourself to the point where you can no longer perform another rep with good form. Reaching failure recruits more muscle fibers and stimulates greater growth, but it's important to do it safely. A spotter is recommended for exercises like the bench press or squats. Combine progressive overload with strategic sets to failure. For example, aim for your last set of an exercise to be at or near failure. This way you're constantly challenging your muscles. Remember, consistency is key. Track your progress, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to push yourself. By implementing progressive overload and understanding how to train to failure, you'll unlock consistent gains and achieve your fitness goals.